Guys, we need to talk about the AI stock crash and what to do about it. As you know, I covered AI and how they dumped $3.2 billion in stock shares yesterday. As you can see, that has affected GuardForce AI as well. GFAI is down from $21.89 all the way to $9.10, which is more than a 50% loss for anyone who bought it $20 or higher. This is a serious move to the downside, which is going to change the way the AI field in stocks is looked at forever. So much money is coming out of these AI stocks that it's going to be nearly impossible for you to make money trading these AI stocks unless you know exactly where to get in and where to get out. That's what we go over in the Discord. We go over where to buy and where to sell the best stocks, the best runners. I actually called out a runner this morning on CDLX. Me and my traders took a trade on it from $5.50 to about $5.80, at which point we closed our position because the stock was in a downtrend. So yesterday, the stock CDLX, we were planning for it to go up more, but it didn't go all the way up. We were still able to make money. I'll go ahead and show you the chart right now. So CDLX went up from $5.50, okay, $5.50. We predicted the reversal at $5.50, and then the green candlestick just shot up to our profit target at $5.80, $5.90. It almost went to $5.96, and then it pulled back. So we went ahead and closed our position, made some money, and we just got out of the stock, CDLX, and all of that proof is right here. Of course, we never hold a stock that's going down, and that's really what makes us different from the other groups. We have groups holding stocks like AI, and AI is down substantially from where it was 2 days ago, despite traders like Moon Market calling it out. So this stock fell off a cliff from $35 all the way down to $20. So even though traders thought that it would go up more, in reality, it's just going down more, just like GuardForce AI. So you need to be really careful, guys, about trading in a downtrend. Never trade in a downtrend. If you remember one thing that coach tells you, it's do not trade in a downtrend. Do not trade in a downtrend, because in reality, if you're serious about making money in the stock market, then you want to make money, not lose money. And if a stock is trending down, you're going to be more likely to lose money than make money. And that is problematic. And that's why I teach my traders how to identify uptrends in the Discord and in the pro group. In the pro group, you're going to learn how to identify an uptrend, how to trade an uptrend, and how to find stocks which are uptrending. Okay, so I give free callouts, but I also give pro callouts in the pro Discord every single trading day. Those pro callouts, although they are for educational purposes only, identify the strongest stocks in the stock market so that you can make money even when everybody else is losing money. In reality, we made $500 today on a stock called BFLY. You can see our traders making money right here. Buying the stock at a good level, selling at a good price, and just taking our profits for the day in the first hour of the day and enjoying the rest of our day, getting a margarita or whatever we like to do. Other stocks like ATNF were also really good trades. I called that stock out at about $213 and I sold at $265, netting 25% in just 3 hours. 25% is $2,500 in profit on a 10K position. So make sure that you are in the Discord so you're not missing all of our winning trades. Other stocks called out by Moon Market, such as WISA, is down substantially from the highs of $4 all the way to a low of $1.38. WISA is not having it right now. We also have more stocks dumping as well, such as a fan favorite, Hub C. Hub C has dumped from $3.28 and it went down to $1.21. Remember when traders were saying that this stock was going to go to $10? This is why you don't listen to non-professional traders. You know that I'm a professional trader. I've been helping you make money consistently. 90% of my plays work out. Not every single stock is going to go to the moon, but I've called over 120 short squeezes over the past year, including MARA, including AMC when AMC pumped, including RLX, including most recently NAAS, which is up 140%. Last time I said it was up 110%. It's now up 140%. I'm sorry. It's $11.75. We called it out at $5. So it's now up 113%. Okay? This is the power of being in the Discord. You actually have a coach telling you when to buy and when to sell, okay, for educational purposes. Even when the SPY is dumping, you can make money. We're in a terrible market right now. The vast majority of stocks are going down substantially. You can actually see on Market Watch here that at least half the stocks are red, but we're still able to make money because we know which stocks to trade. I know which stocks to trade, and I teach you how to trade those stocks. NAAS now up 111.17%. Just keeps going up after we called it out. NAAS stock. Now, I'm not recommending buying NAAS. It's already had its run. Instead, I'd rather you take profits. But no one can deny that I called out NAAS stock in this video. NAAS was called out on this video, and I went in depth about why this stock was short squeezed, and not only did it go up 100%, but it actually went up more than 100%. So if you want callouts like that consistently every single trading day, all you have to do is join the Discord in the link in the description, and then DM me on the Discord, and I'll link you up. I'll upgrade you to the pro membership, and you could start getting mentorship and knowing which stocks to trade right now. I'll see you guys in the next video.